What's up guys, it's Cammy with a C. If you didn't see, now you see. Today is a glorious day. As you can tell by the title, I've got the new iPhone 13 in the alpine green. Now the only reason I'm even doing this video is because I have been scrolling through for days, like months, at least since this color came out, the alpine green. I've been looking for people who did unboxing videos and I can like barely find anybody, so I want my video to be one of those videos. So here we go. I'm so excited. Okay, all right. It is the 13 Pro Max in alpine green, and I got the 512 gigabytes only because that was the one that they had in stock at my local AT&T store. Ooh. I'm so excited. I worked so hard for this. Like, I've been working myself to death and I've waited for so long. And the only reason I got this is because I've been running out of space on my phone and it's been kind of acting glitchy. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna use the phone that I'm recording with as just for YouTube. We're gonna use this for personal stuff and thumbnails and whatnot. So yay. Alrighty. Let's try to make this look nice. Yes. The moment of truth. I'm getting to see this myself too. Here, let me do it like this. Cause I know y'all all know what the box looks like, so I'm not gonna bore you about what the box looks like. Oh, my heart. Oh, look at it. The camera makes it look kind of like a grayish. Ooh. Oh, my soul. Oh, my heart stopped for like a whole second. But yeah, the camera kind of makes it look kind of a grayish color, but I'll try to get a better view of it. Maybe if I pull the light closer. Nope, I think the light just kind of made it worse. Give me a second, I'm gonna give y'all a view of it. There we go. I think that looks better. Whoops, got y'all crooked. I think it looks so nice. I waited for this for so long because I regretted for a little while after getting my 11 not getting a Pro, but I was like, I love the mint green, so I guess I'm just gonna stick with what I have. Also don't have a case for this yet either, but I'm probably gonna order one on Amazon. Alrighty. I don't know if y'all heard that, but if you did, that was some good ASMR. I'm already getting fingerprints on the side of it. Look, y'all probably can't see it because I messed with the light. Look how like clean the screen looks. I'm gonna be so upset getting fingerprints on this today. I wish I actually had like a camera or a different phone to like show you guys, but if you don't know, the notch right there. Yeah, the notch is way smaller on these phones than on the 11 that I'm coming from. And honestly, I don't know why some people said this phone feels heavier. It really doesn't to me. It feels about the same as my 11. Like, it really does. It's just bigger. I'm so excited for the 3 cameras. My thumbnail's gonna come out fire. All right, turn it on. Why am I so dumb? Also, I neglected to show y'all what was in the box because I'm pretty sure everybody knows what's in the box. I'm not gonna bore you with what's in it. All right, I can't just tell you that it's the lightning cord and then all the manual and the sticker and then the SIM card ejector, which I'm probably gonna need because I don't know if I need to put the SIM card that's in this phone in here. And I don't know if it already, yeah, it cycled back again. I'm gonna set my phone up and I will see you guys when I'm done with that because I'm also not gonna bore you with the whole setup process. I'm pretty sure everybody's seen the setup process. So I'll see you in a sec. So the transfer actually took way longer than I expected. So I started filming this video at 11:50, basically like 12 o'clock, and I had to go to work at 1. So when I started doing the transfer, it was at 12:21, and I didn't think it was really gonna take 2 hours. And then once it said like 12:30, I was like, shit, I have to get ready for work. So I literally didn't finish the transfer until exactly 2:21. But I can go ahead and show you guys what everything looks like. This is pretty much how my phone looks. And then, whoop, And then there you go. Yep. And I mean, aside from those few apps right there, I kind of have like a little Studio Ghibli kind of aesthetic going on. While I was out, I did go get a Jesus Christ, I can't speak. I went to go get a clear case and a screen protector. The guy at my like phone fixing place or whatever, the phone fixing store, he went ahead and put the case on and the screen protector for me, but I don't know if you can, I don't know if you'll be able to see it. You probably won't. But either way, oh yeah, there you go. You see, he put it on really crooked and I don't like that. It looks really weird. So yeah, if you like this video, go ahead and leave a like, because you know YouTube loves that shits. And how else is anybody gonna find my videos? And don't forget to check out all my socials as well as my business page. I will catch you guys on the flip side. Peace.